Welcome to the video lecture on programming in C. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the structure of C programs. What do we mean by structure? It is a standard way that we follow to organize the different elements of a program. For example, in a refrigerator, we have specific locations designated to arrange the different items. There is a milk tray for keeping the milk packets. Juices and water bottles are placed on the door trays. Vegetables are put into the vegetable tray at the bottom. This arrangement helps us to take the items easily without searching everywhere. Similarly, C programs also consist of several elements like commands, preprocessor directives, local variable and global variable declarations, function definitions, structure definitions. As the programs become bigger and longer, it will be tedious to search and locate the different elements in a program. To avoid such confusions, we should organize the programs in a prescribed format, and that is called the structure of C programs. This is the recommended structure of C programs. We are expected to organize the various elements of the programs as per this structure. The first section of a program should provide some description about the program. It may include the name of the program, purpose of the program, name of the person who developed it, any copyright information, and any other details that need to be documented. This section will be ignored by the compiler while it performs the compilation. The second section contains the header files needed for the program whose functions are used in the program. Some programs may contain preprocessor definitions. If they are required in the program, then they must be provided here. As we have seen already, global variables must be declared outside of all the functions so that they are accessible from all the functions of the program. Generally, they are declared above the main function. Then we start defining the functions of the program starting from the main function. Inside the functions, we will first declare the local variables followed by all the executable statements such as arithmetic statements and function calls. After the main function, we can define the remaining functions that we have identified for the program. The functions can be defined in any order irrespective of the order of the function calls in the main function. Here is a sample program prepared by following the C's preferred program structure. First, the aim of the program is given along with the name of the person who developed it. The two backslashes at the beginning convey the compiler that it is a command line and so need not be considered for execution. Then the header file is included. Because we have used printf in the program, we have to include stdio.h that contains the definition of printf. It is followed by the definition of the main function. Inside the main function, two local variables are declared. After the declaration, the executable statements are given. After the main function, the function called sum is defined. When the program is executed, it will display the output as per the printf statement. But the structure that we discussed is only a recommended way of writing C programs. C compiler is not very strict on programmers following it. So even if you arrange the program differently, C compiler will not show any error for that. But we better follow the structure so that our programs are easily understandable for anyone who read them.